Changing a particular effect to another effect is one thing a video editor should know how to do. You get my point? Now watch this short video clip. I'm using Merlin fire effect to show you what I'm talking about. You get my point? So if you've not watched this video, you just click on the link you see up here. You get my point? So go and watch the tutorial on how to create this type of video. So now you will see that this particular magic effect, this particular fire you see here, it was a white smoke effect. So I had to convert it to fire so I would use for this particular video. You get my point? So I'm just trying to make you understand why you should be able to change any effect of your choice. It's not every time you will have to go in search for a particular effect. There are some effects you have, I know you have it. So you can change it to another effect and still use it to create your own content. So I don't want to waste much time on this. You get my point? So let me show you how I change the white smoke to fire effect. But you have to do one thing for me. Please understand, like this video, share this video, comment. Understand, if you have any issue, just comment. Any question about this, just comment. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing tutorials like this. You get my point? So without wasting much time, let's go. Alright, on Capcut, click on new project and import your white smoke effect. So look at it here, you get my point. So as you can see, it's a black screen white smoke effect. So tap on the effect layer, go and look for transform because I wanted it to face this other side. So you click on transform, click on mirror, so it's going to face the opposite direction. So look at it here, something like this. You get my point. So from here you can tap on this navigation button. Let's go back and see what we can do to make sure we change the color to fire color. Now come to adjust and then tap on the effect layer. Now click on adjust. See adjust here. You get my point. So this is where the main thing is happening. So guys, like and share this video, comment. You get my point. So now go to hue. You see this hue here, click on hue, then increase it. Can increase it to 50. Understand? So look at the color is about changing. Understand? Now click on temperature. Now increase it to 50 also. We have started getting the fire color now. Now what you need to do, click on white. Now increase the white. So look at it here. You get my point? So when you do this, it doesn't end here. You get my point? So now still click on this adjust again. Click on adjust. Let's see what to add again. You get my point? So the next thing you should add here is for you to go to brilliance. Go to brilliance and increase it also to 50. So guys, with this you are able to change the white smoke effect to fire effect. And look at it here. I don't know if you understand, if you get my point, but if you should get my point, let me know in the comment section you get my point. So that's just it, guys. It's very simple. It's just for you to be creative. Understand? If you've not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another video editing tutorials, another tips like this. You get my point? So you can now save your video and then use it to create any content you want to use. It's now your own. You get my point? So without wasting much time, see you in our next video.